Okay, today is April 5th, and I'm harvesting bananas again from the boat. I don't have my wife with me to record this, so I'm trying to hold on to the camera here and paddle at the same time to get over there. Thought it might be interesting to record this from a different angle. She's at work. I've been off a couple days, not feeling good, but I've seen these bananas are really getting ripe and I need to get them down, so I'll try to record this as we move in. My dog's trying to swim and follow me. Keep swimming, Tucker. Let me see. Coming up underneath these bananas. Under here. So I don't know how this is going to work out exactly, but I've got to get these bananas down because they are ripe. See, the skins are split. So let's see if I can do this without falling in. Got my machete over here. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to hold on to this and record this at the same time. So, anyhow, you know what it's about to happen. I'm going to go ahead and just look around here for a second, show you some of the other fruit and stuff, because it's going to be too hard for me to cut this down and film that at the same time. It's not necessary, but there's other racks in here hanging. Oh, we got one starting right here, actually, right underneath me. Oh! Almost went down. One starting right here. Water line is going away. I'm glad the water's going down. Now I need to get back over here to where that is. I use these banana leaves to pull myself back over here underneath the banana canopy. And oh, we got some more bananas right up there, right over the top of me. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here and harvest those bananas and cut this stalk down, because it's just going to be too hard for me to record it. So, but anyhow, I just thought this might be interesting. God bless. As you can see, I got the bananas down successfully without falling into the pond, so figured I'd at least show that. Alright, have a good day.